about tobacco juice and mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time.
Alright, first one for this video. Feels like a little drum. Yeah, little drum. Yeah, another one. Something different. Oh, look at this. Pumpkin seed, long-eared sunfish. I grew up calling them sunfish. Nice to have a little different species. Pretty guy. Yeah, I didn't even get the other one out.
Nature's quite a lady, but you're the one I need.
Got one on. Looks like a little better one. Well. Another drum. A little bigger than the other ones. Don't take much to make old Raw happy. Fishing's fishing. Catching just makes it better. I miss snacks and peaches. They're good and sweet. Yum. We got another one on. And it's a sunfish. It's getting later in the evening. I'm gonna rig up a little bit with this pole, different. And we're gonna put some cut bait out there for an hour or so. I'm gonna use that cottonwood log to cut this fish up to cut bait. Let's give you a little look around. There's a creek that puts in, I can see it. It's like 30 yards away. But kind of up this Burbus River here. But let's get some cut bait out there, see if we can't get something a little bit bigger. Nah, I ain't gonna rig up too much different. Still got that, that's about a ½ ounce bait sinker. Got this Aberdeen gold hook, I don't know. I'm just gonna poke it through there one time. Lay that out there for an hour or so. I might change it half hour. We got plenty of bait over there. If I use the head, I'll have to put on a bigger hook. Won't need that. My camera lens was dirty earlier. Give that a ½ hour before we check it. They were mostly out there. Get away from them drum, maybe anyway. Got a few more of them red worms we got out of this river bottom. River bottom red worms. They're kind of healthy. They don't take the sun very well. Not like all worms, I reckon, though. Well, we got another one on the red worms. Looks like another, nope, little drum. Well, he swallowed it, so we'll save him for future cut bait. Well, we got cut bait on them both now. It's 4:30. Let's give it a ½ hour. We'll change that black one about 1/4 till, just to freshen it up since we got the bait. Having another snack. Alright, viewers, that's going to wrap up fishing for today. Hope you enjoyed watching the videos. I enjoy making them.
I sat there on the bar stool and I looked him in the face. He seemed a little haggard, did not slow down.